Okay guys, welcome back. Let's create the last shape we want to create. Let me see, it's good. Let's create the last shape we want to create. What is the last point we want to create? We click on find grade and it's 500, 500 and 1000. Then click here and wait for the pound to establish. Okay, let me just delete this pound, zoom out. For example, you want to create a new window, you can add a new window here easily. But it's not rendered the pound yet. Or it's rendered them. Okay, we can find out that. Let me see if we can show selection only, show all. The zoom is too high, I think. Let me see if I can change the view. Okay, no problem, we can work from here too. We have we zoom in, let me zoom out. Okay, we have our foregrade now and another one, I think, but let me just delete this 3D and work here. We have our 4 points and we want to join them. We easily go to draw frame cables and then join these to each other. Now I think one of the grade that must be here isn't defined. Okay, let's see if we can define that here. We give the 500 and 1000 and click here. The point must be created somewhere here, but I don't see it. Let's see what is where the point gone. We have the 4 pound, but not the 5 point. Okay, let's create another view. Add a new pane. Okay, this is the 3D form I want you to see. Now let's see if we can see the object label local access. Let me create them. Okay, you can see the point is created here. Now let's join them. Let me join them. Okay, now we have too many dimensional and I don't like to see them. Let me just off them, local access. Okay, our model has been created. You can see how beautifully it created. You can work on it every time you want. Okay, this is the end of this lesson.